Ever wondered if the future of technology could fit snugly around your finger? Let's journey through the evolution of wearable technology. The realm of wearable tech started with simple timepieces, wristwatches, that became a symbol of convenience. Then, we witnessed a leap towards fitness bands, devices that monitor our health and keep us fit. But technology, ever so restless, didn't stop there. With the ever-increasing miniaturization of technology today, we stand on the brink of a new era. An era where technology is not just worn on our wrists, but also adorns our fingers. Enter the world of smart rings. These aren't your ordinary rings, no. They are sophisticated, packed with state-of-the-art technology, yet small enough to fit around your finger. A smart ring isn't just a piece of jewelry, it's the embodiment of how far we've come, a testament to human innovation. It's a symbol of the future, where technology is not just a tool, but an integral part of us. Imagine a world where your ring isn't just a piece of jewelry, but a powerful piece of technology. You must be curious about how these small tech marvels work. Well, let's delve into the fascinating world of smart rings. These tiny wonders are intricately designed with a blend of technology and style. The core functionality of smart rings lies in the sensors embedded within them. These sensors vary from ring to ring but typically include accelerometers, gyroscopes, and optical heart rate monitors, all working in unison to track your body's vital statistics. Let's talk about how these devices connect. Smart rings use Bluetooth technology to pair with your smartphone. This is how your ring communicates with the apps on your phone, sending over the data it collects throughout the day. Now, here's where it gets even more interesting. Smart rings can monitor your health metrics, such as heart rate, body temperature, and even your sleep quality. They can provide insights into your overall well-being and help you make informed decisions about your lifestyle. But that's not all. Some smart rings also serve as remote controls for other devices. Imagine turning off your lights, adjusting your thermostat, or even skipping that song you don't like, all with a simple gesture of your hand. Sounds like something out of a science fiction movie, right? And there's more. Many smart rings come equipped with near-field communication, or NFC technology. This allows for contactless payments and data transfer. Just swipe your ring at the payment terminal and voila, your transaction is complete. No need to fumble for your wallet or phone. The smart ring, a small wearable that packs a punch. From monitoring health metrics to controlling other devices and even making payments, smart rings truly encapsulate the meaning of wearable technology. And this is just the beginning. As technology advances, who knows what other features we'll see in the smart rings of the future. Now that we understand the magic behind these rings, let's explore some of the brands that are making waves in this field. First up, we have Motive. Motive is a brand that's been around for a while, and they're known for their sleek, minimalist designs. But it's not just about looks with Motive. Their smart rings are packed with features like fitness tracking, heart rate monitoring, and sleep tracking. And the best part? It retails for around $200, making it an affordable option for those wanting to dip their toes into the world of smart rings. Next on our list is Oura. Oura is a brand that's been making headlines for its unique approach to health and wellness. Their smart rings are designed to help you understand and improve your sleep quality, and they do this by tracking a variety of metrics including body temperature, respiratory rate, and heart rate variability. With a price tag of around $300, Oura rings are a bit more of an investment, but the wealth of health insights they provide makes them well worth the cost. Last but certainly not least, we have NFC Ring. Now this is a brand that's truly pushing the boundaries of what a smart ring can do. NFC Ring, as the name suggests, uses near-field communication technology to allow you to make payments, unlock doors, and even share contact information, all with a simple tap of your ring. With prices starting at just $50, NFC Ring is an accessible option for those looking to incorporate smart technology into their everyday lives. And these are just a few examples. There are countless other brands out there, each with their unique take on the smart ring concept. From rings that track your fitness to those that help you manage your stress levels, there's a smart ring to suit just about every need and preference. As you can see, there's a smart ring to fit every taste and budget. Why would someone want to wear a smart ring? Let's delve into the benefits. Smart rings, these tiny wearable tech pieces, are packed with a myriad of benefits that can transform the way we live. At the top of this list is convenience. Imagine having all the functions of a smartphone, a fitness tracker, and a digital wallet, all wrapped around your finger. With a smart ring, you can send messages, make calls, and even make payments, all with a simple gesture. No need to fumble around in your pocket or bag for your phone. A flick of the finger, and voila, you're connected. Another notable advantage is their discreetness. Unlike smartwatches or phones, smart rings are less conspicuous, allowing you to stay connected without drawing unnecessary attention. They offer a more subtle way of interacting with technology, enabling you to check your notifications or track your fitness metrics without the need to constantly stare at a screen. Speaking of fitness metrics, this is where smart rings truly shine. These wearable devices are equipped with sensors that can monitor a range of health metrics, from heart rate and sleep patterns to activity levels. They can provide a detailed picture of your overall health and wellness, helping you make informed decisions about your lifestyle. However, the benefits of smart rings go beyond their practical applications. They also serve as a stylish accessory, a statement piece that can be tailored to your personal style. With various designs and materials to choose from, you can find a smart ring that not only enhances your connectivity, but also complements your fashion sense. But perhaps the most significant benefit of smart rings lies in their potential to redefine our relationship with technology. They represent a step towards a future where technology is not just an external tool, but a part of us, seamlessly integrated into our daily lives. Smart rings, the ultimate combination of fashion and function. What does the future hold for these tiny tech titans? As we delve into the realm of possibility, we find an array of potential developments in the pipeline for smart ring technology. The first question that often arises is whether smart rings will replace or coexist with smartwatches. Today, both devices have their unique advantages. Smartwatches offer larger screens and more extensive functionalities, while smart rings provide unrivaled convenience and subtlety. It's conceivable that as technology advances, these two may converge, with smart rings expanding their capabilities while retaining their sleek, unobtrusive design. Envision a future where your smart ring is more than just a notification hub or a fitness tracker. Imagine it as your key to the world around you. With advanced biometric sensors, smart rings could potentially be used for identity verification. No more forgotten passwords or lost ID cards. Your identity is literally at your fingertips. Imagine walking up to your front door, and it unlocks as you approach. No keys, no fumbling in the dark, just the seamless interaction between your smart ring and your smart home. The same could be true for your car, your office, even public transportation. Now let's take it a step further. What if your smart ring could replace your smartphone? With advancements in miniaturization and voice recognition technology, it's not entirely out of the question. Your ring could potentially become your personal assistant, your navigator, your communicator, and so much more. Of course, these are all predictions, and the actual trajectory of smart ring technology will depend on numerous factors, from technological breakthroughs to consumer preferences. But the potential is there, and it's incredibly exciting. Only time will tell what the future holds for smart rings, but one thing is certain: they are here to stay. As we move forward, we may see these tiny devices become an integral part of our lives, seamlessly blending technology and convenience in a way that was once the stuff of science fiction. The future of smart rings? It's bright and it's right around the corner.